I got something really good for dinner. I wanted to show you guys from Subway, Mexico. Mexico. So listen, Doritos, Mexican Doritos, chocolate cookie, doble chocolate. So they have these advertised all over Mexican media. It's a lot smaller than I expected. Just immediately, like for $6 compared to getting a sub. This is Subway, why? Come on. I ordered the barbecue one and I ordered it toasted. I already feel it's kind of cold. Let's see what we got here. The roll looks pretty cool. Looks can be deceiving. It just feels like they grabbed it from the fridge. So I'm pretty glad I got the cookie at least, and the Doritos, and the Coke Zero. But this, come on guys. I'm at the point where, you know, I should have microwaved it or put it in the air fryer, but I'm hungry. It's so little I didn't want to. I'm already almost done with it. Sadly, I bet it's good fresh. I like the bun, but it's obviously refrigerated. Got your general little patty in here. Your Subway version of the McRib with some barbecue sauce. Guys, toasted, come on. I asked for it. I'm saving the Coke Zero and just drinking this Diet Coke. Subway Mexico in Chihuahua. Guys, if somebody asks for it toasted, please do it. Pay attention. It's good though. It's just out of the fridge good. Oh, that's not double chocolate. 1 second. Pan tostado. Galleta chocolate doble. Not chocolate chip. Lo siento. I am gonna eat this cookie though. Little bit of America in every bite right here. Two stars out of 5. Star for the cookie, star for the Diet Coke. You'll earn a half star more if the Doritos are good later, while I'm watching Star Trek The Next Generation Season 1. Tengo hambre. Buenas noches, chicas y chicos.